In this video, we will talk about 6 foods that cleanse your liver, detox your liver, and clear it of the dangerous elements and toxins that harm it. All these information are science-backed and research references are provided in the description below. First, the question arises, why is it so important that your liver be in good condition? To explain that, let me share a couple of points. Suppose a person's liver fails completely, what we call liver cirrhosis, and one day they develop constipation or digestive block. Then suddenly what happens is that the body moves toward unconsciousness. Their condition can escalate severely. The reason is that the liver produces certain enzymes which convert ammonia, which is in the blood, into urea. And urea is something the kidneys can remove. But when the liver is damaged or cirrhotic and not functioning properly, ammonia levels rise. Ammonia is normally expelled via the intestines, stool, and kidneys, urine. But if a person is constipated or cannot pass waste, it cannot be eliminated, and it then travels toward the brain, causing unconsciousness or even coma. One of the major issues in such a case is that we have to repeatedly give medications to induce bowel movement so that toxins and gases are released, because the body otherwise cannot rid itself naturally. From this you can realize that we rarely think about it, but if the liver fails, huge complications arise. Similarly, in people whose liver is dysfunctional, if they get a needle prick or slight injury, their blood may not clot properly. That is because the liver makes proteins that help blood clot. So when the liver is not working, bleeding does not stop normally. Also, fluid starts leaking from blood vessels because the protein albumin, made by the liver, is deficient. Without enough albumin, blood vessels cannot hold water inside them, so the fluid seeps out, leading to swelling in the legs, puffiness around the eyes, etc. There are many functions the liver performs every day. If you take medicines that are not suitable for you, or consume foods that are toxic for your body, or ingest poisons, the liver works to remove those harmful substances. That process is called detoxification. Many people think toxins remain stored in the liver, but actually, the liver's job is to eliminate them. For example, in people with fatty liver, toxic substances may build up within fat, but the liver still tries to flush them out. That is why maintaining liver function is crucial, so it can remove waste continuously. Let me tell you the 6 foods that support liver health, if you include them in your diet. Welcome, my dear friends, to your channel Be Healthy Talks. Please press the subscribe button and turn on the notifications. First is garlic. In our homes, garlic is common and used in many dishes, but many of us do not realize its medicinal role. Garlic helps detoxify the liver by removing these harmful substances and supporting enzyme function. It can help keep the liver cleansed from toxins over time. Second is eggs. Eggs are rich in amino acids and proteins, and they contain cholesterol and choline, which are necessary for the liver to make enzymes. Choline especially supports liver function and prevents fat buildup in the liver. So including eggs in your diet is liver-friendly and beneficial. Some people can eat 1 egg a day comfortably. Others may take 2 or more. It depends on your health profile, so check with your doctor. Third is green, leafy vegetables. These are the green lady vegetables, things like cabbage and vegetables from the cruciferous family, cauliflower, broccoli, kale, etc. If you steam them or include them in your meals or salads, you will get many benefits. Especially when you often eat processed food, or you take lots of medicines or have exposure to harmful substances, your liver must work harder. These vegetables provide antioxidants, fiber, and compounds that support detox. Fourth is beetroot. This is very beneficial if you care about your liver health and want to help your liver carry out its detoxification work. It contains compounds that assist in flushing toxins. You can include beetroot in your diet as juice, grated in salads, or in meals. Fifth is lemon. Lemon is a very inexpensive but powerful food. Adding lemon to your salad or meals, or drinking lemon juice, is free and effective. Lemon contains vitamin C, which boosts your immune system and supports detoxification. It helps your liver cells perform better in eliminating toxins. Sixth is fatty fish. Fish like salmon that contain omega-3 fatty acids are essential for liver health. They reduce inflammation and aid in detoxification. Additionally, extra virgin olive oil, which contains good fats, can also play a role. Omega-3s and healthy fats help protect the liver. So including fatty fish or using olive oil is helpful. If your right side, abdomen, or shoulder or back hurts, or you feel discomfort near the area of the liver, you should get an ultrasound done. Also get liver function tests, LFT, done. The tests include ALT, AST, alkaline phosphatase, albumin, globulin, bilirubin, prothrombin, PT, INR, APTT. These tests tell you a lot about how your liver is working. When the liver is under strain, the spleen, which filters blood, may become enlarged, which pushes back blood into the liver, causing pressure. That pressure can reduce platelets and cause inability to clot blood normally. This is often seen in liver disease. So those were the 6 foods I mentioned in this video that help detox the liver and support its proper function. On this channel, you will find many videos like this. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and if you like it, copy its link and share it with friends and relatives. Take care of yourself and your loved ones.